Said they wanted to hit me on Chirac, so I hit the booth, then I snap like this big 40 I pack will push you shit way back. I'm in a big body, no Maybach. I'm talking about my old school, big box Chevy on them foes that make them hoes move. And them speakers in my trunk, they tweakers shake, they dunk. We in the back cave smoking P-Funk, twisted off that OG skunk. We done twisted up on like 3 blunts, but I've been twisted since the first 3 puffs, cause I ain't smoking 23 months. They had me getting twisted off a half a bottle, so I fell back now. All I do is sip Moscato, feeling like $1,000,000, flowing like I hit the lotto. Like I'm pussy gassed up, come and hit the throttle. You in the bar buying shots, why don't you get the bottle? Hella bands, whole team blowing hella bands, and I stay strapped like Ellen pants, and I flow heavy like elephants, and I spit truth. Can you ever dance? I said I speak the truth, all I do is state facts. I can't stand these fuckboys, and I hate rats. I can't fuck with lames, I can't fuck with lames. Let me run it back for you. Said I can't fuck with lames. I play the game, but just know I'm not fucking playing. Stay up in your fucking lane before I knock out your fucking brains. I got some youngins that'll hit you for $1 and change. I'll always be the same, I never fucking change. And my flow is doper than that shit in David Ruffin veins. Shit is easy, nigga.